What's up, everybody? Mike here at Find Your Cards. How you doing this evening? I hope you're all set and want to wish you good luck. We're busting into a box of 11-12 Contenders. 18 packs per box, approximately 5 cards per pack. Of course, if there was bookload or patch, could be less. They always like to tell you that. So hopefully pull out something nasty. Alrighty, I'm going to get the eBay current time up for those who can't catch the live break. I want them to know what time we approximately got started. Alright, what time are we at? Here we go. 21:45:54. There we go. Alright, so been a bit since I've done a giveaway with this, and we end up giving away a booklet with Ryan Johansson auto. So let's see if we can get something like that here in this. Of course, Nugent Hopkins has been playing insane recently, so I'm sure Oiler fan like to see that. Landeskog, Johansson, Henrique, lots of good ones. Mark Scheifele, lots of good players in this. And I'm just barely touching on who's all in here. So there we go. Empty box. Our big pile of packs. Let's take a quick peek. I don't know if one of them might be a little bit fatter. It doesn't look crazy fat, but we'll keep it towards the end. We'll see. It could just be a spacer. We'll find out though as we get there. Alright, let's see if I can get in here. Alright, thanks again for joining me. Always like having you along. Alright. Of course, lots of base packs in this, so be prepared for that. But not all base. Don't have to worry. We got hits. We got hits. Another base pack. Base, base, base. We're getting the base out of the way right off the bat. That's the way I look at it. Base, 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 base. We really are getting the base out of the way. Alright, so we got our first hit coming up here. We got for the Carolina Hurricanes, 771 out of 100, Color Contenders, a player that's getting hot. Justin Falk. And this is an example where these guys have been starting to go well. Justin Falk. Good young offensive defenseman. Good start. Little Justin Falk. Hurricanes. We got Cup Contenders for the Pittsburgh Penguins out of 999, James Neal. We got Calder Contenders for the New York Islanders out of 999, Shane Sims. Just doing a box Contenders there tonight there, alright? I shouldn't say just, but that's what's up for tonight. Tomorrow, of course, case break. We pulled out a Justin Falk auto. All base. Just the Falk so far. Again, like I say, just the Falk. Obviously, the Hurricanes fan will be happy with that. Out of 999, Calder Contenders, Chris Vandevelde. And we got Neil out of 999. Yeah, that's right. He's another one in here too. Couturier is another addition in the, like I say, lots of guys, good players in this one. Especially they're all still young, right? All base. Out of the valley. I'm out of the valley. Annapolis Valley. All base. Still got more autos to go though, so don't worry everybody. We got Cup Contenders for the Vancouver Canucks. Daniel Sedin. And all base. And base. Base, base, base. Come on. Let's go autos. Alright. We have, for the Montreal Canadiens, we have NHL Inc. and Pelusia. NHL Inc. for the Canadiens. 2 packs left. Counting this one. All base. Down to the last one. Here we go. What do we got? We got something. We got a patch. We got... Oh, jeez. Sweet. And that's why we save the fat packs for last. We got 43 of 100 for the Colorado Avalanche. We got Burnaby Joe. How's that to finish up? Burnaby Joe. Sweet. Nice. That's a good way to finish it up, eh? When you say everybody? Burnaby Joe. Nice. There we go. That wraps up the box of Contenders. But why don't you stay tuned? I'm feeling a little bit giving. I'm going to randomize off a couple packs here of 12-13 hockey and bust into them because I just feel like it. So going to randomize between all the teams and then I'm going to bust into them. So here we go. 12-13 upper deck, randomize off a couple packs. Let's get up the teams here. I'm going to do it 3 times. And this is for the first pack here. I'm going to, actually before I get the random going, I'm going to mark on it pack number 1. Pack number 2, because I'm going to random straight through. Alright, here we go. A couple bonus packs that are going to get given out to teams. Here we go. 3 times. 1. 2. And 3. So this one's going to the Kings. Pack 1, Kings. I'll bust it for you in a minute. And 3 more times for pack number 2. 1. 2. And 3. Going to the Blue Jackets. Alright, so these are a couple little bonus packs that I am busting into. This is for the Jackets. Alright, first one we're going to bust into is the pack for the Kings. Here we go. This pack, bonus pack, Los Angeles Kings. Any hits in it get shipped to you. So here we are. See if we got something for you. We got an MVP, Mika Koivu. So that's getting shipped out to you. That's Kings. And here's for the Jackets. Your bonus pack. Could have. That would have been a bad idea. Maybe another time we'll do it that way. One for first, one for last. Well, I like that, Larry. Alright, here we go. It's an MVP as well. MVP, Solani. So there we go, guys and gals. Thank you very much for joining me tonight. There's Mike at Find Your Cards. Tomorrow, case break of select packs and box giveaway. Every time I ran in between the 30 spots a box, and I give away packs and quizzes and questionnaires. So the big one, of course, tonight was the big old Joe Sakic patch auto out of 100. So again, thank you very much. Like I said, keep on wiggling and bouncing off your eyes. Mike here at Find Your Cards. Have yourselves a good evening. We'll talk to y'all soon.